$1,130,000 gets you this townhouse in North Vancouver. Let's see it. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse located in Linmore, North Vancouver has 1,682 square feet of living space. The location is absolutely fantastic with Superstore less than a couple minutes away, tons of bike tracks, parks, sports courts, trails, and soccer fields all within walking distance as well. Within the strata you get a few amenities as well which are perfect if you have kids, which include an outdoor pool and a playground. One of the 3 bedrooms is located down here and the other 2 are located up the stairs as we're gonna see right now. This makes it perfect for all families in any stage of their life. Both of the bedrooms up here are huge, as you can see a queen size bed sitting comfortably, a walk-in closet, and the bathroom upstairs. This home has had updates done throughout, so all you have to do is move in. Saving the best for last, this is the master bedroom with a king size bed fitting comfortably in there. Taking a look outside the window, you see the private patio below and the garden I was talking about. If you enjoyed this tour, there's more on my profile and follow for more.